Is Webull better than Robinhood? Choosing between Webull and Robinhood largely depends on your specific needs and preferences as an investor. Have you used Webull or Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Webull is known for its advanced tools and features, making it a strong choice for more experienced traders. It offers comprehensive charting tools, technical indicators, and research resources. Additionally, Webull provides a paper trading feature that allows users to practice trading strategies without risking real money. The platform also supports extended hours trading, both pre-market and after hours, which provides more flexibility in trading times. Like Robinhood, Webull offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, and it also allows cryptocurrency trading, which can be a significant advantage for those interested in digital assets. On the other hand, Robinhood is praised for its user-friendly interface, making it an excellent option for beginner investors. One of Robinhood's notable features is the ability to buy fractional shares, which allows users to invest in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of money. Robinhood also offers a cash management feature, providing a competitive APY on uninvested cash and access to a debit card. Unlike Webull, Robinhood has no minimum deposit requirement, making it accessible to a broader audience. Similar to Webull, Robinhood provides commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. Have you used Webull or Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your thoughts and comments below. When deciding between the two, consider your experience level and what features are most important to you. If you are a beginner, you might find Robinhood's simplicity more appealing. Conversely, if you are an experienced trader, you may benefit more from Webull's advanced tools and research options. Additionally, think about the value of features like paper trading, extended hours trading, and cash management when making your decision. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on your individual investing needs and preferences.